This is Fluency Module 5, Lesson 22, and the only thing that we have today is counting by equivalent fractions. And so today we're going to count by 2/10, starting at 0/10 up to 20/10. So let's start there. 0/10, 2/10, 4/10, 6/10, 8/10, 10/10, 12/10, 14/10, 16/10, 18/10, and 20/10. We are also going to now, we're going to do what we've done before. We're going to look for our whole number equivalencies. So we know that 0/10 and 0 are equivalent. We know that 10/10 is equivalent to 1 and 20/10 is equal to 2, equivalent to 2. So let's start that. See if you can do it without looking. 0, 2/10, 4/10, 6/10, 8/10, 1, 12/10, 14/10, 16/10, 18/10, 2. All right, good work on that. And then this last one through, we're going to do what we did last time, and we're going to take those improper fractions and we're going to make them into mixed numbers. So that will be the last part of what we do here. So let's start again at 0. 0, 2/10, 4/10, 6/10, 8/10, 1. 1 and 2/10, 1 and 4/10, 1 and 6/10, 1 and 8/10, 2. Alrighty, if you did that, and especially if you did it without looking, congratulations, and that is the end of our fluency for today.